Hello everyone, hope you all fine. Today I Lakshmi Negi again with you with new chapter of class 9th chapter 6 lines and angles. You can say that this is the basic of the next two chapters triangles and quadrilaterals because this is an important chapter which I am going to explain. Now see. These are some basic terms and definitions which we are going to use in this. The line segment, these are the very basic things which you have studied in your previous classes also. The line which is endless in both the direction. A line segment which is having two fixed point array which is having a fixed point and it can be extended in one direction only. And the collinear points means the points, a lot of points which lie on a single line, a straight line, are known as the collinear points. Non-collinear points, the points which are not lie in a same straight line. Now angle, you can see that the angle is made by the arms. You can see that these are the arms and this is the angle, and these two rays, where these two rays initiating this point are known as vertex. This is known as vertex. Now move to the next part. Now these are the types of angles you know very well. Acute angle less than 90 degree, right angle exact 90 degree, obtuse angle, a angle which is more than 90 degree, straight angle which is exactly 180 degree, reflex angle, an angle which is more than 180 degree. These angles are known as the reflex angle. Now the complementary angles. The two angles whose sum is 90 degree are known as the complementary angle. The supplementary angle are the angles which have the sum is 180 degree. These two angles will be known as supplementary angles. Now move to the next topic. Adjacent angles. You can see that adjacent means continuous angles. You can see that the vertex is same and these are continuous two angles. So these angles are known as adjacent angles. Now linear pair, you can see that the linear pair are adjacent angle too, and the sum of two angle is 180 degree. Then these angles are known as straight angle. Now vertically opposite angle, the angles which is exactly opposite to each other. When two lines are intersecting each other, then the exactly opposite angles are known as vertically opposite angle. 1 equal to 2 vertically opposite angle and 3 is equal to 4. These are also vertically opposite angles. Now next topic. You can see that these are the intersecting lines and these are non-intersecting lines. These are seems to be parallel. The theorem 6.1, two lines are intersecting each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. This is important theorem. I will explain you how to solve it. If two rays AB and CD are intersecting each other at O, this point, then we have to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So what we have to do, since we can see that CD is a line, though I am not able to write it properly here. So you can see that, hence we can say that angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree because it is linear pair. Similarly, angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree, again linear pair. Now if the first one is the first equation and the second one is the second equation, then from 1 and 2 you can see that the right hand side is equal, hence the left hand side will also be equal. Therefore angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 4. You can see that angle 1 will cancel to angle 1, hence we can say that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So you can see that the vertically opposite angle are equal, and this is an important theorem. Move to the exercise 6.1, question number 1. See that there are the two lines AB and CD. These are intersecting at point O, and if this angle, that's mean AOC angle plus angle BOE, you can see that AOC and BOE is equal to 70 degree, and BOD, that's mean BOD is this angle, is 40 degree. You have to find out BOE, and the reflex of COE. The reflex of this means excluding this angle. The whole angle which is excluding this is known as the reflex of this angle. Now see, the first what you will do, first you will write, and whenever you will do these questions in your copy, so the figure making is compulsory, and even you have to write the whole question also while doing the question. Now see, the question number, this first you have to write this in the solution. First you have to write this, and then after, in place of AOC, we know that in place of AOC, because we know that BOD and AOC, these are vertically opposite angle, so we can say that angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. Why? Because these are vertically opposite angles. Okay, now in place of this, we can write, in place of AOC we can write 40 degree plus angle BOCE is equal to 70 degree. Okay, now we will just find out angle BOE. Angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40, that's mean 30 degree. You can see that the answer is 30 degree. It's not writing clearly, we can write it 30 degree. BOE is 40 degree. The first we get the first answer. Now see the next part. Angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because you can see that AB is a line. Now see that we will put the value AOC plus BOE. We know that the value of AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. In place of this we can write it 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. Now for finding angle COE is equal to 100 minus 70, that's mean 110 degree. But we don't require COE, we require the reflex of COE. So how we will find out the reflex of COE? So we will write the reflex of angle COE is equal to 360 minus 110 degree. That means the answer is 0, 5 and 2. 250 is the answer. Now move to the next question. Question number 2, you can see that in figure this everything is mentioned here. You can see that, and XM, you can say that XY and MN, these are intersected at point O, and this PO is perpendicular. There is 90 degree, it is given in the question. Now see that you have to given that A ratio B, the ratio of the two angles, this A and B is given 2:3. Whenever the angles are given in ratio, first you have to assume the angles. Like first you will let angle A is equal to 2x and angle B is equal to angle B, small b is equal to 3x. Now you can see that if angle POY is 90 degree, that's mean obviously A plus B will also 90 degree. Why? Because the half part is 90, so the next half part will also 90 degree. So we can write angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now we have to substitute the value. At the place of angle A you will write 2x plus 3x is equal to 90. So we can write 5x is equal to 90. Hence x is equal to 90 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 8 ja 40. You can see that the value of x is 18. So first we have to find out A is equal to 2 into 18 and B is equal to 3 into 18. 18 2 ja 36, 54. So these are the two angles A and B we find out. Now we have to find out the value of C. You can see that angle B and angle C, these two are in linear pair. So we can write B plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because these are linear pair. So in place of angle B we can write 54 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Hence angle C is equal to 180 minus 54, which is equal to 126. So this is the reflex of angle, this is angle C.